Hey everybody, I am going to show you in under 3 minutes here how to replace this passenger side. Actually, it will work on any door of your car. This is a 2014 Mercedes CLA250. You can see here I dinged it with a tree. The branch scratched. I didn't even notice until I was opening the door for my girlfriend, letting her in the car, and I saw this big ding, this big nick on it. Luckily it didn't touch or affect the door itself. So I wanted to figure out how to go about replacing this part. I called the Mercedes-Benz dealership and they had told me that the part itself was $190 something and the labor itself was going to be an hour, so they were quoting me almost $400 to replace this measly piece of wannabe metal plastic. Okay, so I figured I could figure this out myself and I could do it for a lot cheaper. So I went on eBay and I found one that was actually used. You can see here there's one small ding on it, but otherwise it looks brand new. Bought this on eBay. Again, it was used and it cost me $40, free shipping and handling, 40 bucks to send that to me. Okay, so the disassembly and everything does not take an hour, and I'm gonna show you in under a minute here how to do it. Okay, first step, roll your window down. You don't want to scratch your window, just be careful with it. Okay, second step is to open up this plastic here. There's no tools needed for this removal, guys. Just if you have opposable thumbs and 2 hands, that's all you're gonna need. So you pop off the plastic here. You can see that the only thing holding the plastic down is this little knob and this little hole right there. Okay, pop that off. You want to make sure that you do that because this thing, you can see it's kind of malleable, but this thing is actually held on by this little notch here as well. So you want to make sure that this is opened up so you can pull this off successfully. And that is literally all you need to do, okay? So you start working it around, and guys, it's this easy. This is the most simple removal or service on a car that I've ever done. And again, if you want to make sure that you don't bend this or something, so you work it all the way around, work it from the outside and work in. Boom, popped off. Your door is ready to go. Okay, so you got the old one here. Get rid of that scratched up garbage. So you want to look for that little notch. You see my notch is here, so the notch is going to go on this side, the outer side, right? Gonna line it up. You're gonna push it as far in this way as possible because you want it to be flush with the door. Okay, push it as far in and then slowly start pushing it down, and then push it all the way in. Guys, it's that simple, just like that. In under 2 minutes and 52 seconds, I just replaced the entire part. That saved me $360 that Mercedes-Benz quoted me. Roll the window up, you can see here, boom, car's done. If you guys learned from this, give me a thumbs up. I hope this helps somebody because, again, I didn't see any videos on this whatsoever on YouTube. And also, I think that this will work on all 4 doors as well. I have not tried the other ones because there's no scratches on those, but I would imagine it's the same process for each of the 4 doors. Just make sure that you're buying the right part number, and if you need help with the part numbers, just send me a message. I can send you the direct link as to where I found this part here. Thanks, guys.